Right now, videos of cars getting completely transformed. No paints, no rims, no everything. Flooding Instagram reels, TikTok, and YouTube channels. And most people watching them have no idea they are looking at here, not real customization shops. Hey, welcome back to our steps. Today, I'm showing exactly how to create this buyer AI car modification video yourself. Completely free, using nothing but the right prompt and a couple of AI tools. This whole step can get it satisfying to watch, easy to make, unless you know the process. And half it, if you are building make this good channel or just want to create higher catching automotive content to bring out whole a single car. So in this video, I'm walking through how to generate a realistic car modification visuals using ChatGPT and Claude's free mode, and how to turn this into smooth cinematic translations videos ready for short reviews, and the complete walkthrough from your very first prompt to a finished topic ready video. So if you want to start creating unlimited like content for free, let's get right into it. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and get subscribed. It's different to read. Have you seen these car modification videos that have been taking over Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and other social media platforms lately? They're pulling in millions of views, and some of these creators have built massive audiences just by posting this style of content consistently. But here's the surprising part. These videos are not being created manually. They're generated almost entirely with AI using a simple workflow and a few powerful prompts. Now, to show you exactly what's possible, take a look at this video I created using the same AI workflow I'm about to teach you. Before we jump into the tutorial, do me a quick favor. If you're excited to learn this workflow, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future AI tutorials like this. With that out of the way, let's dive straight into the tutorial and start creating these amazing AI car modification videos together. The first step is choosing the AI chatbot that will power this entire workflow. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use both the free version of ChatGPT and the free version of Claude AI, so you can compare the results from each one and decide which works best for you. Let's start with ChatGPT. Go ahead and open ChatGPT. Once it's ready, head over to the Google Docs file that contains the complete master prompt I created specifically for this workflow. It's been carefully designed to generate everything you need from start to finish. If you'd like a copy of this exact master prompt, simply comment Bruno AI below and I'll send it to you completely free. Now scroll to the top of the document, select the entire prompt from beginning to end, and copy it. Then switch back to ChatGPT, paste the prompt into the chat box, and click Send. Once ChatGPT finishes processing the master prompt, the first thing it'll do is generate 10 premium vehicle ideas for you to choose from. Each one is designed to work perfectly with this AI car modification workflow. Take a moment to go through the list and pick your favorite. Once you've made your choice, simply type the number of that vehicle into the chat box and hit Send. ChatGPT will then move on to the next stage and generate the complete production prompt for your selected vehicle. This includes every shot of the video, from the opening scene to the final reveal, along with all the details needed to produce a cinematic AI car modification video. Once the production prompt is ready, scroll to the top, select everything from the beginning all the way down to the final review, and copy the entire prompt. Now switch over to Google Flow and create a new project. Paste the complete prompt into the prompt box. Before generating, configure a few settings. Switch the generation mode to video, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, since we're creating content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. Choose a 10-second duration, and leave the output set to one video so you don't use unnecessary generation credits. Once everything is configured, click Generate and let Google Flow bring your prompt to life. In just a few moments, you'll have a complete cinematic AI car modification video ready to preview. And that's it. Your AI car modification video is now complete. Go ahead and download the finished video in the highest quality available to preserve the best possible visuals. Once it's saved to your device, it's ready to upload to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, or any other short-form platform. That wraps up the ChatGPT workflow. Now let's see how Claude AI performs. We'll run the exact same workflow using the free version of Claude, compare the results side by side, and see how it stacks up against ChatGPT. This way, you can decide which AI chatbot produces the style and quality you prefer for your own videos. Now open Claude, then head back to the same Google Docs file that contains the master prompt. Select and copy the entire prompt and paste it into Claude's chat box. Then click Send. Give Claude a few moments to process the prompt. Once it's finished, it'll immediately generate 10 different premium vehicle ideas that you can use for your AI car modification videos. Just like we did with ChatGPT, go through the list and choose the one you want to create. For this tutorial, I'll be selecting number 3. I'll simply type 3 into the chat box and hit Send. Claude will then process your selection and generate the complete production prompt for that vehicle, including everything you'll need to create the full AI car modification video from beginning to end. Claude will now generate the complete production prompt, including every shot of the video, from the opening scene all the way to the final reveal. Once it's finished, select the entire production prompt, starting from the first shot down to the final reveal, and copy everything. Now switch back to Google Flow and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Since we already configured all the settings while generating the ChatGPT version, there's no need to change anything this time. Simply click Generate, and Google Flow will use Claude's prompt to create the complete AI car modification video. After a few moments, your second video will be ready. You can now compare it side by side with the version generated using ChatGPT. And here you go. This is the video generated using Claude. And this is the one generated using ChatGPT. Personally, I think both of them turned out incredibly well. The visual quality is clean and professional, the vehicle modifications look impressive, and even the ASMR sound design feels realistic and satisfying. As you can see, both AI chatbots are more than capable of producing high-quality prompts for this workflow. At the end of the day, it really comes down to personal preference. Whether you choose ChatGPT or Claude, you'll still be able to create stunning AI car modification videos with this exact workflow. So pick the one you enjoy using the most, start creating, and have fun experimenting with different vehicles, styles, and customizations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my future AI tutorials.